Hello everyone. I just got off the phone with the people from a company. I have got some more detailed instructions about how they want their garment packaged. First, his retailers would like their men's shirts to be machine folded. They also want to pack in rayon garment bags and ask for including cardboard. They would like their men's shirt to be 25 per box. Secondly, the retailer would like their jeans to be hand-folded. They also want us to include hand tags and put the garment in cardboard box. They would like their jeans to be 13 per box. Thirdly, the retailer would like their dresses to be in floor length. They also want us to pack the garment in plastic garment bags. They would like their dress to be hung on fabric hanger. Next, the retailers would like their t-shirt to be hand-folded. They also want us to pack in plastic garment bags and ask for a layer of t-shirt paper. They would like their t-shirt to be 2 per bags. Lastly, the retailer would like their coat to be machine folded. They also want us to pack in individual rayon bags. They ask for straight pins and hand bags are already in place. That's on their requirement.